Hello and welcome to Mass Innovation Nights number 134. This is our 134th event. It's also our 7th annual Women Founders event, and we're part of the 6th annual We Boss Week, celebrating the women innovators and entrepreneurs of Greater Boston. My name is Bobby Carlton, and I'm the founder of Innovation Nights. I usually tell people I have 3 jobs: the day job, the night job, and the dream job. My day job is I run Carlton PR and Marketing, which is obviously a PR and marketing firm. The night job, well, you're taking part in it today, Mass Innovation Nights. And the dream job is Innovation Women. It's an online speakers bureau for entrepreneurial, technical, and professional women. The goal is to get more women speaking at conferences and events. Over the summer, I also bought 2 at other companies. So we also bought my speaker leads, and I also bought Lioness Magazine for the female entrepreneur. So this fall, I want you all to be on the lookout for new stuff from our team. Keep your eyes open. Now, right now, do me a favor. Take a moment and drop a comment into the chat. Do it and introduce yourselves and tell us where you are joining from tonight. If this is your first Mass Innovation Nights, we usually talk about our event as being dedicated to driving visibility. We have a social media amplification program. Our newsletters go out to more than 16,000 people in the Boston area, and attendees at our events help spread the word too. If you are tweeting tonight, use the hashtag Min134 and we'll retweet you. It's a great way to increase your visibility in the Boston startup ecosystem. Let people know you're here, maybe a selfie from your home office. As the pitches get rolling tonight, pick your favorite product and tweet about them. Or I'm not going to stop you from picking more than one. We make it easy for you with links that are in the chat. The click to tweet chats, the links there will open up in a new window. So if you see a new product you love, blog about it, tweet about it, post about it, or if you're not into social media, it's okay. We still love you. You can just tell somebody about that cool new product you saw tonight. Together, we can help local entrepreneurs be more successful and make important new connections. You can also sign up to be a part of our social media amplification program. Drop by the Mass Innovation Nights booth tonight to learn more. Mass Innovation Nights has helped to launch more than 1,500 new products in the last 11 years. These companies have received more than $4 billion in funding. We're proud of the role that we play in connecting local entrepreneurs to the Boston innovation ecosystem. Many local entrepreneurs will tell you how they met important advisors, investors, customers, and partners at our events, and I hope you do too. This platform allows you to talk to the entrepreneurs directly, so you can visit them in their virtual booths. Now, about tonight's event, I am so glad you decided to join us this evening. We have an incredible event for you. There's live one-on-one networking, pitches from our entrepreneurs, and you can visit them live in their virtual booths. Just click on the expo and then click on the booth you're interested in. Once you're inside the booth, you can click on the I'm interested button to get more information about the company. And tonight, you can have a live conversation with the entrepreneur. It's super easy to activate your camera and microphone. Give it a try. You can also do some networking with the rest of the crowd here tonight. Click on the networking tab and get ready. You'll be connected to the next person in the queue for a quick live networking session. It's a lot of fun and a great way to connect with other members of our community. If you want to connect with someone in particular, you can invite them to a private chat from the list of attendees. So, this year's Women Founders event feels especially important to me. In addition to the usual set of roadblocks for women, we have a new set of pandemic challenges. The pandemic hit many female dominated industries hard: hospitality, education, retail, restaurants. Many women lost their jobs or had to leave their jobs. It's hard to be hustling at work when you have small people at home 24/7. Am I right? And to tell you more about WE BOS Week, we have the great privilege of introducing Mayor Walsh. The mayor and the team from the city of Boston have been enormous supporters of Mass Innovation Nights and all our programs over the last several years. Mayor, I'll let you take things away.
Women in Boston are driving business forward. They're starting new businesses, expanding their operations, and bringing new ideas to life. When women are fully empowered in business, leadership, and in our workforce, our city thrives. That's why we started the WE BOS program to support our city's women's entrepreneurs from ideas to launch to scale. I want to thank the WE BOS Network for shining a light on female leadership in Boston. And I want to thank all of Boston's female founders for all they contribute to our city.
Thank you so much, Mayor Walsh. We appreciate your help and your team's help in supporting women founders. Now I'd like to kick off the presentations from our entrepreneurs. Every company here is founded by a woman. Each company will have 1 minute to present information on their company and their product. We'll jump right from one product pitch to another, so buckle up. Afterwards, please go and visit the companies in their virtual booths. You'll get to talk directly to the people who are presenting here tonight. Some additional housekeeping details. We'll share a click-to-tweet link in the chat for each entrepreneur. Please help spread the word about all these great products. You'll also be able to ask the entrepreneurs questions. Just do that in the chat. They are here live specifically to answer your questions. We'll be sharing a recording of tonight's pitches in our YouTube channel, so you'll be able to go back and pick up anything you missed. And once the pitches are over, we're right off to networking and the virtual booths. The virtual booths and the networking will both stay open until 7 p.m. Ladies, take it away.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline, the founder of Portico, where travelers are curious. Coronavirus has thrown us all for a loop, especially in travel. But travel isn't dead, it's just evolving. Pent-up demand is high, road trips are happening, and people are planning again. Our Portico community has grown 70% since March. Vacation time is precious, and you don't want to waste it. Ideas come from many places: surfing the web, Instagram, dinner with friends. You Google the same thing over and over again, worried you'll miss out. And you end up with ideas scattered around, or spend a ridiculous number of hours putting it all into a spreadsheet. Portico will rock your world. Save ideas, organize them on maps, plan with friends, and discover inspiration all in one place. You can also easily share your favorites once you're back. We leverage technology to enhance and ease your process while capturing valuable intent data that will be used for personalization. It's an $800 billion market expected to rebound by 2023. It's an amazing opportunity for Portico to capture mindshare now. Join us in our booth to learn more.
Hi, my name is Ajwa, and I am the founder of Groove. My first job out of college, I worked as a receptionist for a radio station. One question people would always ask me: where can I get a DJ for my event? So I try to solve this problem by creating an in-house DJ service. Now, years later, people still call me looking for a DJ. That's when I realized there's still a problem. Getting business is a pain point for DJs, and 90% of their bookings comes from referrals. Or if you're an event organizer looking for a DJ, there isn't a platform where you can find all your DJ needs. This is why I created Groove. Groove is a peer-to-peer online booking platform where customers can search DJ profiles by style, budget, and calendar availability, where customers can book a DJ in just a few clicks. So here's a quick snapshot of Groove. Groove has a familiar and easy-to-use interface. Like other peer-to-peer platforms, we take commission off of each booking. So what sets Groove apart? No other platform allows you to browse DJs by event needs, give customers access to DJs' real-time calendars, the ability to book DJs instantly, all managed through a secure payment system. And thank you, and I hope you follow us on Instagram.
Hi everyone, my name is Robin Peretz. I'm the founder and CEO of Pretzel Kids Yoga. We bring yoga classes to families and schools nationwide, as well as provide an online training and subscription membership so that our teachers can teach successful kids yoga classes in their own communities and now online. We started Pretzel Kids because we saw that children's yoga is lacking curriculum-based structure, qualified instructors, in a branded community. We solve this problem through the Pretzel Kids brand as well as our web platform. We service three main audiences: those who wish to become a teacher, those wanting to hire one of our teachers, and parents looking to find and enroll their kids in one of our branded Pretzel Kids classes. Kids yoga is growing super fast. You can see some of the stats here. And children need mindfulness now more than ever before, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. We are the right founders with the right company at the right time. My co-founder is Joel Lair, an IP attorney and partner at Goodwin Procter, and the two of us hope you will join us in learning a little bit more about Pretzel Kids, and we look forward to meeting you soon. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Allison Byers, and I'm the founder and CEO of Scroobius, where we're building a human-first fundraising experience. The abilities of a founder and management team are the most important factor driving investment decisions, often even more important than the technology or product itself. People invest in people, but you can't put a person's character in a static pitch deck. For underrepresented founders, having the opportunity to communicate personal characteristics can literally make or break their company, and many never get the chance. Investors are missing out on the best deals by limiting themselves to what they see through warm intros. Scroobius guides early-stage founders through crafting a compelling pitch video, which is displayed on our platform for investors. We radically expand investor networks for deal sourcing, and video instantly humanizes founders in a way pitch decks never can, so a first meeting can be as productive as a second meeting. Our market size is venture scale, and our business model is a la carte flat fees for founders and SaaS subscription pricing for investors. I truly hope to see you at our booth so that we can chat and learn more.
Hi everyone, Drink Simple harnesses the natural filtration power of trees to create clean, delicious maple water that are naturally enhanced with functional benefits and plant-powered nutrients, and also imbued with some magic from Mother Nature. It has antioxidants, polyphenols, prebiotics, and it's half the sugar coconut water. It's not syrup, it is the water that comes directly from the tree. We are super excited to announce our new sparkling maple water that comes in blackberry lemon, raspberry lemon, and orange mango, and soon to be cucumber lemon as well. You can find that at Whole Foods in New England and Wegmans. And then our still products, our original maple water that is just the straight water from the tree, and a raspberry lemon at retailers across the country. We're really excited to be part of Mass Innovation Nights Women Founders, and we greatly appreciate your support. Thanks for having us.
Hi, my name is Shreya Deve, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of VIA Separations. We use 12% of U.S. energy consumption separating chemical compounds from one another. Why? Because of boiling. Today, most chemical processing is done like boiling off all the water to get to the pasta at the bottom of a pot instead of pouring it through a strainer in your sink. A strainer at the industrial scale is 50% lower capital costs, 90% lower energy, and a more modular and demand responsive system. Via Separations makes that strainer, and we make it for the challenging industrial environments required in manufacturing paper, plastics, and fertilizers. The beachhead market, pulp and paper, accounts for a $5 billion market opportunity, and we sell this product in a pay-for-production model that it reduces the technical risk for our customers. We're 10 people strong today and looking forward to growing. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Keisha Graves. I am 35 years old. I am from Cambridge, Massachusetts, and I live with limb-girdle muscular dystrophy. I am the founder and CEO of Girls Chronically Rock clothing brand, which I started to help inspire, motivate, and empower others in the disability community. I started in this inspirational t-shirt line with different inspirational quotes that are meaningful to me of what I'm dealing with and during this journey living with muscular dystrophy, and how honestly we're living in the world right now with this pandemic and the whole Black Lives Matter movement. My goal is to create a Girls Chronically Rock movement / empire. But the most important thing is I am looking to create an adaptive clothing collection for Girls Chronically Rock for people in the disability community to make it more accessible and more easier to get dressed for people like myself on a daily basis.
Hi, I'm Lynn Becker, CEO and founder of Power Patients. We're a digital health tech company focusing on traumatic brain injuries. Football has brought this public health crisis to light, but they're just the tip of the iceberg. TBI is a pervasive, devastating problem that affects 2 out of every 5 families in the US, and that's over 7 million people. The problem is that there's a lack of knowledge, and this is caused because there's no diagnostic test and no standard of care, and it leaves patients pinging Dr. Google trying to find some kind of help. The way that this is fixed is through clinical trials. Our solution is a patient-populated warehouse that serves 3 constituencies: clinicians and their practices, and then the clinical trial research industry, as well as the recruitment process. We have a patented proprietary system, and the market potential is in excess of $200 million. I'm looking forward to sharing more with you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mai Lee, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Haystack Dx. Imagine having difficulty speaking, typing, or picking up a cup of coffee. Our muscles are essential to our daily activities, and injury or disease to them can dramatically impact our quality of life. These diseases range from the common carpal tunnel syndrome to the very rare and deadly ALS. Now, the current procedure used to assess problems with our nerves and muscles is called electromyography, EMG. The problem is that it provides very limited insight into your muscle health with non-specific data that is subjective and untrackable. But at Haystack Dx, we developed a solution called Needle Eye EMG that advances this procedure to the 21st century and delivers higher clinical value to people who suffer from nerve or muscle disorders at an affordable price that's comparable to current systems. Our solution gives doctors more data of your muscle that's quantifiable, so it's objective, a comprehensive look into your muscle health, and the ability to track disease progression or therapy.
Hello, I'm Dr. Denise Valenti. I'm the CEO and president of IMAD, Impairment Measurement, Marijuana and Driving. IMAD is a company that specializes in the education, services, and technology for the responsible use of marijuana. Our primary product is technology that is to be used roadside by law enforcement officers. It's a virtual reality goggle that tests peripheral vision of those that have used marijuana. The driver looks into the virtual goggle and presses a Bluetooth response button whenever they see stripes somewhere in their peripheral vision. We have found that a driver who has recently used marijuana frequently cannot see the stripes. A driver who cannot see accurately cannot drive safely. IMAD is a technology that will help police officers to more efficiently do their job of removing unsafe drivers from the road. IMAD will help police officers to save lives.
Hi, I'm Jamie Coates, co-founder of Lactation Innovations, and we're developing a solution to the dual problem of the fact that 500,000 infants every year get hospitalized for dehydration due to insufficient breast milk. And at the very same time, 50% of mothers quit breastfeeding due to the anxiety and apprehension of not providing enough breast milk for their infant. Our solution is the Manula breast milk monitor. That's a convenient, safe, and accurate device that measures the amount of breast milk in a baby's stomach and provides that information for both the mother and the clinical team to transform postpartum standard of care. And we're really looking to change that standard of care for the 15 million mothers who are already breastfeeding or intend to breastfeed and are in locations that already engage with breastfeeding technology like the breast pump.
Thank you so much to our entrepreneurs. Great pitches. We are so glad you were able to join us this evening. And for everyone else here, we are glad you are here too. Now is your chance to go and visit all the booths and do some networking. The networking queue is cooking. Just click on the networking tab and meet some of the other attendees. Helpful hint, look for the connect button at the top of the video screen to connect with the people you meet. You can also go and visit the entrepreneurs in their virtual booths. Click on Expo and pick a booth to visit. If the booth is full, you can come back later. Just make sure it is before 7 p.m. And I'd like to take a moment to thank Mayor Walsh and the City of Boston for the work they're doing with female entrepreneurs. I'd also like to thank my team, my extended team, and our partners. You are doing an amazing amount of truly awesome work. And if you are interested in learning more about Carlton PR Marketing, Innovation Nights, Innovation Women, or Lioness Magazine, drop by our virtual booths and someone can help you. One more quick plug before you go. If you are interested in sponsoring a future Mass Innovation Nights event, talk to us. We have a great program and we're always looking for new partners. Now, go meet the entrepreneurs, meet each other. I'm planning to pop around to a bunch of different booths myself, and I'll also be spending a little bit of time in the networking queue. Have a good night. Thank you. And thank you for supporting local entrepreneurs. Keep tweeting. We're going to be using that hashtag Min134. Have a good night.